the last video I ended up posting on YouTube, it was a red day on Wednesday. Thursday, I made all my losses back. And on Friday, I made even a bigger bag because I don't quit when I'm red. I have patience and I wait for the best levels to hit and then I execute. What is going on, traders? You guys had a great weekend. Today's video, I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking on Friday, as well as preparing you guys to trade the best setups at the best prices tomorrow morning. Let's get into it. So, let's just go look at Thursday right now, guys. I didn't end up making a video Thursday. I got caught up in life. It was a massive overreaction from Tuesday. You see this massive sell-off. This is when I ended up losing money when I was buying calls where I was supposed to be buying calls. I ended up, as you guys heard, I swung calls as well as ended up buying 540 calls. As soon as we broke through 540, came back to retest, guys. The rest is history. Made all my losses back, over $25,000. And then we're going to go look over on Friday. So the first hour, it was extremely difficult to trade because we were stuck in a range. So what did I end up doing? The first things I ended up doing, guys, is I brought 541 calls in the money. The next trade ended up, Dimitri ended up calling out 544 puts. We ended up selling these. And the last trade, big shout out to Dimitri, my partner, my good friend. I love this dude. He is so intelligent. He is so good at trading, and he's a part of the Daily Sniper, guys. He's in the chat every single day, live streaming with myself. He gave the Discord, no one should be red. He literally gave them the best trade of the day. It was literally 544, deep 544 puts, guys. Same days, right in the money. Look at this freaking sell-off. Picture perfect to close your computers, make your bag, and leave for the day and have a great weekend. So big shout out to Dimitri, guys. He absolutely crushed it on Friday. Now, what is the game plan moving forward into tomorrow? Easy. First things I'm going to do, guys, this is what I do every single day. I grab a line. I look at the previous closing price. SPY ended up closing at 544.44. So I'm going to end up making a line at 544.44. You know what I do? I make it dotted. I make it red because I know this gap has not been filled. Right here. This is the previous closing price. Now, even though the gap close reversal works a lot, I don't only rely on that. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at the higher levels right now, right? What's the big levels that to be watching at? So as you can tell, if I just zoom out here, we have two massive levels. 545 and 545.50. This is a massive resistance level. As soon as we rejected it, we had massive downside. As soon as we made it support, massive upside potential, right? This is just zooming out on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Okay? The next level that we have is 547 to 547.50. 547.50 puts are going to print. I plan on shorting this range right here. I plan on also shorting 545 to 545.50. Now, let's look at calls. What is a good entry for calls? So, just easily, look at 544, guys. Look how SPY has been hugging this level right here. This is a good level, 544. The next level that we have is 543. Big, strong level. What do we have under that? 542. So we have 542, 543, 544. I don't even need to give you guys these levels. I want you just to look at the chart. Sometimes people don't zoom out. So I'm giving you the levels that I'm going to be trading at. When it comes to the game plan, I want, like, the A1 setup is puts between 547 and 547.50. That's what I'm liking right now. But SPY has a lot of downside potential. I am personally looking for a lower high in the 450 or 550 levels, guys, and I'm going to be swing trading 6 months out to 1 year out puts closer to the high. I want a lower high. The market is starting to get bearish. The dip is starting not to be bought back after it sells off. So I don't want to get overly bearish because the bears have already won to this point. So I am looking on a call basis. I am bullish. I am bullish for 10 points. Minimum 10 points right now. From where SPY closed at, I'm bullish for 10 points. When do I not get bullish, right? So this is what I'm doing. I'm just looking at the floor, guys. If 544 rejects, it's going to free fall to 543. It's an empty open pocket right here. It's just going to drop. If you see 544 reject, the next level it's going to anything's going to happen. That's $1 away. It's a free money put, just like how 543 is a free money call. And if you look at the Discord, one of the best trades I ended up taking on Friday actually was 543 calls at 2:45 p.m. Eastern time, guys. I ended up getting into and adding into 543 puts same days. I alerted at 3:12. I'm still holding. There is no reason for me to sell these puts yet, or these calls yet. I was still holding. Look what time I sold. 3:16, guys. And now I'm going to show you the chart, right? That was just a free trade. So now let's go to the 5-minute time frame, and I'm going to show you the trade that I entered. The trade that I entered was right here, right? As soon as we broke to 544, I ended up buying 543. Oh, sorry. I got mad confused there. Sorry. Right here. 543 calls. As soon as we broke under this, I was buying calls. We came back down to my major key level, 543, ended up buying calls, and I sold these disgustingly in the money. I had patience. I was buying the best setup. I was not buying this sell-off. SPY dropped, and SPY was holding. As soon as we dipped back down, watch, guys, scrolling left, right? Look at all the touch points we have at 543. Look at all the resistance that we had in the morning. Then look, as soon as we made it support, massive upside potential. So as of right now, 543 was a support. We came right back down to it. Look at the immediate bounce, guys. This was a 2-point move on same days. This is why I am extremely green. You don't have to trade all day. You don't have to trade in the morning. You could trade whenever the best levels come. You mark down your levels and you play the best setups at the best prices. And that's what the daily sniper teaches, guys. That's pretty much it, to be honest. The Daily Sniper, we have a massive deal going on right now. Use code SNIPER at checkout. We specialize in options trading. A lot of people in futures. We have a lot of people trading futures in our chat, in the Discord, guys. But we specialize, Dimitri and myself, in options. We can teach you how to make money off your own money. We will teach you how to buy in at the best levels and how to make the most amount of money possible using your own capital. There's this big hype on funded accounts lately, guys, and if you're profitable, make your money, guys. If you're able to pull out from Apex and Top Step and whatever you guys choose to trade with funded accounts, do that, right? But if it's not working for you, you need to change, right? You don't want these million lists of rules to follow day in and day out. You want to go back to work, save up $2,500 to $5,000, and we will teach you how to feed yourself for the rest of your life. Use code SNIPER at checkout, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Make sure, if you stayed part of this, the end of the video, guys, I am doing my pre-market live streams. Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. 15 minutes before market open, I'm going live on YouTube. I'm going to be giving you what my game plan, how the pre-market looks, and what trades are the best setups to be hitting, guys. That's it for me. I hope everyone had a great weekend, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.